Welcome to Jack to Jeep. So today I'm going to walk you through the process of registering your drones. That way we're legal. The FAA requires it, so we got to do it. Let's get started. Why do we need to register a drone? Well, the FAA requires it. They require it for either A, recreational, or B, commercial. Recreational is just that. You go out, you have fun with it, you play around. Commercial is if you have any intent of making any financial gain on the videos you're acquiring through your drone. So that means if you're going to go video for real estate, or if you're going to put it on YouTube and you're going to be monetized, you have to have it registered. When you begin to register your drone, you want to go to www.droneregistration.com. I will actually put it in the link below. Once you're there, it gives you a few different options. It gives you, I'm looking at my other screen, that's why I keep looking away. Recreational registration, Part 107 registration, then it gives you the access for accessories or before you fly stuff. You can, before you fly, gives you a lot of different helpful hints and tricks. It gives you maps and apps. Now the maps and apps, it gives you the opportunity to download an app, like you can do it on your cell phone. If you want to go out and fly it, and there's areas kind of like drone parks that you could go out, fly your drone and not have to worry so much about laws and registration, things like that. You can go out and be safe. You don't have to worry about being hassled as much. Though, on the 19th of January, registered my drone for the Part 107 registration, and that's what you want to click on when you're at the website. You click on it. It has a few different options for ID card or just the stickers or both. You can get the stickers, 4 stickers, and the ID card. When you click on that, it bumps the price from $5 to $36.98. Not a big deal. I don't think that's arm and a leg. Nonetheless, and once you click continue, then you go into this form you have to fill out. It's not hard. It takes 2 minutes, if that. It's your name, address, company name. If you're doing it commercially, I put Jack to Jeep on mine. Then once you do that, you go down and it asks you DBA, doing business as. I put commercial for YouTube, physical address, of course, everything else. Then you go down and you go drone type. It asks that, and that means purchased or if it's homemade. Mine is, of course, purchased. It's a DJI Spark. Ask for your serial number and your model number. You get it from underneath the battery. After you do that, then you can go to drone labels. The drone labels gives you, I don't know, 10, 12 different color options. Black, blue, charcoal, sky, warm, white, yellow, green, orange, pink, whatever you want. So you choose different colors, and then FAA requirements, some little questions you have here, and then I have read, understand, and intend to follow the FAA requirements. Click continue. Once you're done with all that, you hit it, you send it, you pay for it, so on and so forth. Then you get an envelope in the mail. I already opened it up, and in there comes my card. It does state Jack to Jeep. It does state the type of drone, the manufacturer, DJI Spark. It also has the model number on there and the serial number. That way, if they do come and ask you to see it, they match up and they know that you're legit. If you're flying more than one drone and you have more than one, you have to do this with each of your drones, which is somewhat ridiculous. Nonetheless, we have to register them. They have to make sure that we're legit. They give you 4 stickers. I put one on my drone already. I put the other one on the case. If you run out of stickers, you can actually go back to the website, put in your information, and order another one for, it's like $5. Not a big deal. In my next process, not today, but in the future, I'm going to start studying for the Part 107 test, and I'll be taking that. That's actually, I believe, like $150. There are some companies, if you buy their study material, they will guarantee you passing the test. If they don't, they give you a money-back guarantee. There's a lot of different drones on the market, from a Maverick Mini to my Spark, and even larger. You want to make sure that you know the laws that are required by the FAA before you go out and fly. You can find out about all the laws and requirements that the FAA has put forth either by Googling it like I did, or you can click the link that I put in the description below. Make sure if you have a drone, you're getting it registered. That way we're staying legal. Make sure you're not getting in any trouble or anything like that. Also, check out some of these other videos I have linked up here. Also, you can click subscribe. Make sure you're sharing these videos with your friends, helping grow this channel. I greatly appreciate your time, and thank you again for watching Jack to G.